Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the ninth question in exercise 7.13. The marginal revenue function of a commodity is MR is equal to 7 minus 6 divided by x plus 2 the whole square. Find the revenue function. Also find the revenue obtained by selling 4 units of the product. So the revenue function R of x is nothing but integral of the marginal function. So let's perform the integration. So this is integral of 7 minus 6 divided by x plus 2 the whole squared dx. So I can break this into two parts. So this is integral of 7 dx minus 6 into integral of this function I'm writing as x plus 2 to the power minus 2 dx. So this is nothing but R of x is equal to 7x minus this is 6 into, I'm going to integrate this directly. So this will become x plus 2 to the power minus 1 divided by minus 1 plus k. F x is given as 7x minus 6 into x plus 2 to the power minus 1 by minus 1 plus k. So in order to find the value of k, let's first put r is equal to 0. Why? So in case when x is equal to 0, this function is going to actually return a value. So this is 0 plus 6 into 0 plus 2 to the power minus 1. So this is nothing but 6 by 2. So this is going to be 6 by 2. Then there is a plus k. So this is going to be k plus 6 by 2. But remember, r of 0 is always 0. Because the total revenue when there are no products produced is going to be equal to 0. So 3 plus k is going to be equal to 0. So k is equal to minus 3. So the r of x function can be given as 7x plus 6 divided by x plus 2 minus 3. Now the question is to find out 4 units. So r of x is nothing but r of 4. So 7 into 4 plus 6 by 4 plus 2 minus 3. So this is going to be r of 4 is equal to 28 plus 1 minus 3. So 29 minus 3. So it is going to be equal to 26 rupees. In the next video, we will find the solution for the 10th question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.